Hello friends, in this video we will solve a question from NET exam. The major product formed in the following reaction is we are having trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. The most interesting fact of this particular example is we are having a double bond here and a ketonic group here. So on this part we can have the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, and on this part we will have the epoxidation. The thing is that we have to just select the stereochemistry or regioselectivity at each of the places. At this double bond, the trifluoroperoxyacetic acid will react and give one epoxide ring. Please watch my video. The link is given in the description box at this time. In this example, it is given above the ring. At this point, it is given below the ring. Now, will it come above the ring or below the plane of the paper? That we can decide from the stereochemistry of this hydrogen. Since this hydrogen is above the plane of the paper, that means this part, this entire ring is below the plane of the paper. Since it is below the plane of the paper, the attack of trifluoroperoxyacetic acid will happen from above the ring. Since the attack is from above the ring, we will have this stereochemistry. The epoxide ring will be above the plane of the paper with thick lines. Since the epoxide ring is from above the plane of the paper, option A or C will be the right choice. B and D will be eliminated. So when you consider option A, the oxygen is coming from this side, and when you consider option C, the oxygen is coming from this side. Now which one will be the right? We'll check out. When you consider the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, it is a regioselective reaction. Among these two carbon, the carbon which is more nucleophile will be having the greater migratory aptitude. Now this carbon, it is surrounded by this carbon, it is attached to this carbon and this carbon. So attached to 3 carbons. When you consider this carbon, it is attached to this carbon and this carbon. So only 2 carbons. Since this carbon is attached to 3 carbons, it is more nucleophilic in nature, and oxygen will be coming at this part. So option C becomes the right choice. This is the migratory aptitude. If you want to memorize it, you can memorize it. In case if you forget this migratory aptitude, just remember you have to decide which is more nucleophilic in nature. Between that carbon, the oxygen will come. Now another thing is that electron withdrawing groups on peroxy acid enhances the rate of the reaction. And as the rearrangement is a concerted process, the configuration of the migrating chiral substituent is retained. Additional information: the peroxides are much less reactive than the peroxy acids. The use of hydrogen peroxide even requires a catalyst. Now I leave you with a question. If in this example only one equivalent of trifluoroperoxyacetic acid was there, only one equivalent, then what would have been the product? Either epoxidation will happen or the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. Which one will happen? You have to decide.